Hello friend, let's spawn some pound. You can see our player has spawned randomly in one of the 3 spawn pods I made. So to do that you need a spawn manager and a number of spawn pods and put them in the map as you want. Each spawn point should have a tag named spawn point or the name you want. You can add a tag like that. And we give the script to our spawn manager. We initialize a variable named game object for each spawn location. Let it be dynamic, so you have an indefinite number of locations. A public game object that will be our player. A function that will declare on the start of the game. We will search the location of each spawn point with a function named find game object with tag. That's why we put the tag for its spawn point. Now we have to find our player. You can find our player in a folder that you have to name resources that load the name of your object and the type of your object. I made a function spawn player. Spawn player take a random value between 0 and the number of spawn location you have and instantiate with game object that instantiate the player we will spawn, which location you want to spawn in, and its position plus the rotation. After that, you have to give the game object to the spawn manager and leave either the player object empty, so you can find it in the resource folder, or you can put it yourself and you get like that. Like and subscribe if you find it useful. Hope you enjoy and bye bye.